Ever wondered if Google AdSense accepts AI written blogs just like the human written ones? Well, today is your lucky day. We're here to explore this intriguing question. But before we delve into it, let's define our terms. Google AdSense, for those who may not know, is a program run by Google that allows bloggers and website owners to generate revenue by displaying Google Ads. It's a key tool in the blogging community, helping many earn from their passion. Now, what about AI-written blogs? As the name suggests, these are blogs created not by humans but by artificial intelligence. AI has been making waves in various sectors, and content generation is no exception. With sophisticated algorithms, AI can produce content that's often indistinguishable from that written by a human. So, with the basics out of the way, let's dive deeper into the world of AI and AdSense. First, we need to understand what Google AdSense looks for in a blog. AdSense is not just looking for any blog, they're in search of unique and engaging content that draws readers in and keeps them coming back for more. But it's not just about being a wordsmith. Your content must also be valuable, providing readers with information that's useful, relevant, and original. Compliance with Google's policies is another crucial factor. This includes adherence to Google's Webmaster Quality Guidelines, which emphasizes the importance of creating websites with clear navigation and a positive user experience. But that's not all. AdSense also requires that your blog has a substantial amount of text-based content, as this is what their system uses to determine relevant ads to display. And let's not forget, your blog must also be at least 6 months old, especially for certain regions. Now that we know what AdSense looks for, can AI-written blogs meet these criteria? It's time to put AI-written blogs under the microscope. As we delve into the world of AI-written blogs, it's crucial to understand that the ability of AI to generate content is phenomenal. With advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, AI can churn out unique, engaging content at a pace that surpasses human capabilities. AI tools like GPT-3 can generate articles, blog posts, and even poetry, all with a human-like finesse and creativity. But how does this sit with Google's AdSense policies? Well, Google's policies focus primarily on uniqueness, relevance, and user value. In terms of uniqueness, AI has the potential to create content that's not only unique but also tailored to specific reader interests. However, Google's algorithms are also designed to detect content that doesn't offer real value to users, and it's here that AI-written blogs often fall short. You see, while AI can mimic human language and creativity, it lacks the ability to provide genuine insights based on personal experiences or deep, nuanced understanding of complex topics. This is where human-written blogs still shine. They offer a personal touch, a connection that AI as of now struggles to replicate. Moreover, Google's policies encourage transparency and authenticity. AI-written blogs should disclose that the content is AI-generated, and this could potentially impact their acceptance by AdSense. So it seems AI-written blogs have potential, but are they on par with human-written blogs? Let's not forget about the human element in blogging. There's a certain magic that comes from the human touch in a blog post. It's an art form that combines a unique perspective, a personal voice, and a deep understanding of the audience. This creativity and nuance are what make a post truly engaging, truly human. When we compare this to AI-written blogs, we can see a stark contrast. Yes, AI can produce content quickly and efficiently, but it lacks the human touch. It can't fully understand the nuances of language, the subtleties of humor, or the complexities of emotion that a human writer can bring to the table. Moreover, human writers can adapt to feedback, constantly refining their style and content based on the responses from their audience. This dynamic interaction is something that AI, with all its capabilities, still can't replicate. While AI has its strengths, human-written blogs still hold their ground. So, can AI-written blogs be accepted by AdSense? We've dissected this question today, considering the criteria for AdSense acceptance, the potential of AI-written blogs, and the enduring value of human-written ones. It's clear that while AI has immense potential, the unique perspectives and creative nuances of human writers remain invaluable. As the digital world evolves, so too does the relationship between AI, blogging, and AdSense. Whether you're a blogger or an AI enthusiast, the intersection of AI and AdSense offers a fascinating avenue for exploration.